Sant Sarovar, a water conservation site on the banks of the Sabarmati River. The earth banks here provide a unique habitat for various bird species, which duck burrows to make their homes. Blue-tailed bee-eaters are migratory birds that come to Sant Sarovar every summer for their breeding season. Blue-tailed bee-eaters are often seen passing insects to one another. This isn't just feeding, it's a courtship ritual. By offering food, the male shows he can provide and strengthens the bond with his mate. This area makes it easy for blue-tailed bee-eaters to find food. The river bank is full of insects, so they have plenty to eat. A house crow has caught a prey, possibly a small chick from one of the birds living nearby. Another pair of blue-tailed bee-eaters. The male offers an insect to the female as a part of their courtship. A spotted owlet is peeking out from its burrow, looking around in a lazy, relaxed mood. House sparrows have almost vanished from city areas and are rarely seen in urban spaces. But here, in this peaceful place, you can still spot many of them. Blue-tailed bee-eaters share the job of parenting. Both parents take care of their young, from incubation to looking after them as they grow. Human intervention is damaging this area. Now, let me show you the other side. The constant noise is disrupting the peace of this area, disturbing the birds and their natural habitat. Sand mining has been ongoing in this area for over a year, and as a result, there is a risk that the burrows could collapse. This area is also turning into a dumping site for construction waste, causing it to lose its natural essence.